Yakiniku sauce is a dipping sauce for Japanese barbecue. It's a soy sauce-based sauce infused with rich flavors of garlic, sesame, and other spices. You can buy similar bottle sauces, but it's so easy to make it at home. In a small pot, add soy sauce, sugar, mirin, ground sesame seeds, whole sesame seeds, grated ginger and garlic, and some chopped dried chili peppers. Stir and turn on the heat. When it starts boiling, remove from heat and add some sesame oil. That's all. It's sweet and salty, infused with garlic, full of sesame flavor, and with a hint of spiciness. The sauce goes well with anything: meat, seafood, and vegetables. You can increase or decrease sweetness or spiciness according to your taste. We hope you give this a try.
美味しい。
美味しいね。